Hello friends, welcome to Design Tech Academy. Today we are going to discuss surface-based feature toolbar which we have in a part design. So there are four commands. First is split, second thickness, thick surface, then the closed surface and sweep surface. So we have the four commands in the surface-based feature toolbar, and in this video we will discuss three commands, and for the sweep surface we will do our next session for the remaining one. So for the starting, I'm taking the thick surface. So we have to create some surfaces to do the work. So I'm switching in generative shape design. I'm taking a point and a cylinder for creating a simple surface with a Z direction. So I got a cylinder right here. So for thick surface, it will create a thickness on any surfaces. So you can take it, you can select the surface which you want to get the thickness. Check the preview. It's reflecting 1 mm thickness on a outward direction. So you can change it from here. You can apply the second direction thickness also. Now you can check, then press OK if you have got the value, or you can reverse the direction if you want to change. In this situation, can change the directions also. Now press OK. The next command is close surface. For closed surface you require closed surfaces, or you can use that surface which having the open surface but on a same plane. So it's having a open face but on a one plane only. That's when there is no such curvature at the end side. So you can use the closed surface. So I'm creating a separate body for this operation. Just press close surface, then it will convert as a solid block. And if you don't have the end patches which is not a coplanar on a plane, then you have to fill it manually. Then it will work. Like you can fill it from the top, from the bottom also. Join them. And I'm creating a separate body for this operation again. Now you can create your solid. So if you don't have the planes open area in surfaces, then you have to make it a closed surface. Then you will work on a closed surface. Now the next is split command. So for splitting I have to create some surfaces. So I'm doing a sketch operation. I'm taking spline. I'm doing extrude. So split commands work as a split operation, split tooling command, so which can help you to cut the solid uh, as an input from the surface. So take this command with this body. So I am defining it here. Take the command and select the operation. That's when select the surface and the direction which you want to continue. That's when you want to keep and what you want to remove. So if I am pressing OK, it's reflecting error. That's mean it's not intersecting. Then you can change it, extrapolate type, curvature, or you can change the dimension of extrude. That's when you can extrapolate in this direction. Then it's splitted. If you want to change the direction, then change direction from here. For the next Swiss command, you will get the another video. So please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the notification.